advice, crazy mama. I know I ain't been on in a while, but I've been so sick, it was terrible. But you know what? We went down the hog holler to help, what's her name? Becky? No, Bitty Bop, no. What's her name? Betty Jo Bonita. Bobby Jo Bonita. Oh, who the fuck she is. But anyways, I went down and helped her haul some pigs in, and you know they don't really like me, so I had to get a disguise. So I just think, so they come to me. Yeah, watch this right here. I'll take my glasses off. Look at my eyebrows. And nasty. Oh my god, look, my girl hair's growing. Here we go. Okay, I'll turn around. Okay, now here we go. This was the only disguise I had, so the pigs would come to me. So I get out there. Oh my god, my ears are stuck upside down. Oopsie. Oh my god. What the fuck is going on? Sorry for the interruption, but so I get I get out there in the field like and they come to me, this little baby ones was running up to me. They thought it was their mama. I'm like, ain't your mama? You know what they look just like? About Germany. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, look at this. That's pretty funny. Yeah. Okay, whatever. I just got scared the fuck out of me. So anyways, today we went to the mall. Hi. I think I'll get me one of them facelifts. I did go to disco dancing this week too. It was a little cold on the boat. Was it a boat or a train? It was a boat. It was a little cold, yeah. So Chuck Norris came over and gave me a blanket. I tried to snuggle up in with him, but he didn't. He wants to snuggle. He won't sign. He's a prick. Anyways, back to the pig farm. Remember the three-legged pig? He growed another one. Just like that. But the pig doctor came and he said, that should not happen. It should not grow the leg back. It's not normal. But what the fuck is normal on the pig farm? You got the big ass stuck in a tree. The cars are running back and forth. Kids with one leg, pigs with three legs. Bobby Jo Bonita. She's a pig too. She couldn't even keep her booty shop open because I ain't gonna tell you what happened. No, no way. I will not tell you. Oh, look at my wrinkles. Uh-oh. Oh, sorry. So anyways, let me tell you about. It's so cold outside. I don't like it at all. Oh, somebody's in my house. I don't like it when people's in my house. So anyways, my granddaughter is in all this freaking makeup, and she's been waiting for this palette to come out. What's his name? John Gray? Joe Bruce? What the fuck is his name? Gerald? Anyways, this makeup store is very nice, and the ladies that work in there are very pretty. It's such a little pricey, but she's been waiting for this palette to come out. Jason Gray? I can't remember his name. But I was with my girlfriend Erin Buggy. We went there today. June Buggy. We went there today, and there was two of them left. What's that guy's name with the makeup? John, Henry? No. What's his name, the guy with the makeup? Morton. No. James Charles. He's got this big, it's eyeshadow. It's very expensive. And, oh my god, something's biting my hip. Yeah, so, I got her one. It's only $43 for this. Oh god, ugly brat stuff. Hey, you like my pointed tails? You know what, let's try something here. Look! I could look like a... Okay. Let me see. Is that her? Look at me! Hey, that's pretty nice. Let's remember that for this fucking summer. What was I talking about? Oh yeah! What did I fucking say? So I go in the store, me and my friend Erin Buggy, and we get two of them. One for Erin and one for... Did you see that? One for granddaughter Taylor. So we bring it home. I thought she was going to cry. I'm like, calm down, bitches. It's eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. They're like, oh, it's so You're beautiful. My beautiful Nutella. Get the fuck over it. It's our shadow. Yeah. Look at me here. I need me some roots. Or I mean, I need me some dye. I don't fucking know what I need. But you don't happen on a pig farm? You don't happen on a pig farm today? Okay, bye, Beretta. Bye, Beretta. Beretta's leaving. She's gonna go to bed. She gotta work early in the morning. Yeah. She's a good girl. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look, I can make some new sunglasses. Because I'm on a pig farm. It's really bright. Really, really bad. I like that. I cut my hair like this because when you're on a pig farm, you gotta wear your hair like Bobby Joe Bananas, and she's always in pigtails, ponytails, whatever the fuck they're. I think they should do pigtails, not ponytails, because it's a pig farm. Should do pigtails. Oh, baby crane. So anyways, we're supposed to get a storm tonight. I'm sick of winter. It's bad news, bad news. Mom, what to do? I see dog. I see dog. I see dog. Oh, my earrings. So, you know, my granddaughter, she's so smart. She's so smart. She's doing all this stuff in school and getting good grades and, you know, so, some United Nations thing. I don't know. Look at you. I think my rip tip. Come on. Rip tip. Where's the rip tip? Pass it on my teeth. Oh, that's nice right there. Look at me go. Yeah. So really there ain't much to talk about tonight. I'll try to get back to it tomorrow night because I know I am, but not much. I've been so sick. I am old, you know. Let's try this big ears again. You've got to put them on like this. And you flop them. Look make those like a pig. Look at there. Look at me now. Look at it go. Oh, that fucking bad. Pink hairs or clashes with my hair. Anyways, peoples. I think I'm gonna go to bed. Pickle bitches for what? I like color. I like color a lot. Hold on. Yeah. Look at Icy Dog. She's getting trouble back here. She's in trouble all the time. She gets away. Come here, Icy Dog. She's in my program principles. I don't like that. She's gonna go to bad dog school. And someone's gonna teach her. Come here. Come here, Icy Dog. Come on. She's a bitch. But I love her. She's my. So anyways, I'm gonna let y'all go. And I'll see you tomorrow. I promise I'll be back tomorrow. Oh man, I'm fucking dizzy now. Good night, everybody. Cause I love you.